Last corporal is a section 2IC. And the private soldier is a rifleman.
Now, am I correct to say, from what you've just said, a private soldier is bound by the orders of a lance corporal?
That is correct, my lord.
And a lance corporal is bound by the orders of a corporal?
That is correct, my lord.
And the same for a corporal is bound by the orders of a sergeant?
That is correct, my lord.
Yes. By the way, do you know Warrant Officer Class 2, Pt2?
I don't know him, my lord.
Am I correct to say that name was mentioned to you by the second accused during the investigation?
Yes, my lord, your client mentioned Pt2, but I don't know him.
Line, just say the second accused.
Second accused. The second accused mentioned Pt2, but I don't know him.
So, what can you please tell this court? What did he say to you as to his relationship with Warrant Officer Class 2, Pt2?
My lord, according to him, he said Pt2 was his boss, as he was the RPMS and he's a storeman.
So correct to say he was, or he is, the regimental quartermaster sergeant of the 5th Battalion?
That is Pt2.
Correct.
Correct, you are correct.
Now you just told this court that the second accused did tell you that. Were you able to verify that fact, that statement?
My lord, you know, this investigation was a joint investigation. So I obtained statement from the second accused, and I was not the one who interviewed him. So other colleagues are doing the same investigations.
No, I am saying, as an investigator of 15 years experience,
Yes.
he told you that Warrant Officer Class 2, Pt2, is his immediate boss and the regimental quartermaster sergeant of 5 Battalion, at 5 Battalion.
Correct.
Were you able to verify this statement?
Well, there was no way to verify because Pt2 has run away. He has run away, so there was no way to ascertain his allegation.
No, I'm saying I am saying, were you able to establish this with the 5 Battalion?
Hold on, do it orderly. Okay. Hold on. Yes.
My lord, I'm objecting to that for finality. The question has been posed to the witness. He has answered that Pt2 ran away, and my colleague continues to ask the same question. The witness has answered.
No, my lord, that is wrong. I was not asking the same question. I was asking him if he verified the said statement with 5 Battalion Brigade, my lord. Okay. Infantry Brigade.
All right, so you're asking another question?
Yes, my lord.
All right.
That is my question.
Mm-hmm.
My lord, I have nowhere to verify that because the person whom I was to verify that has run away. That is what I have told you, my lord.
So, Mr. Witness, you are now telling this court that when warrant officer class 2 ran away, he ran away with the entire battalion, including the records of the battalion, of the 5 battalion.
He was not running away with the battalion. He was running by himself and leaving the battalion behind. He was not running away with the battalion.
Order, silence.
Just watch the event. So, am I correct to say, even though you allege that the said warrant officer ran away and he was not available for you to verify, are you saying he left behind the 5 battalion, including the records of that battalion? Is that what you are saying?
My lord, all what I know is that W2 today has run away. And all what I have told you is all what the second accused told me. And which I recorded.
So you did not investigate whether warrant officer class 2 Sheku Ture was attached or is attached to 5 battalion as regimental quartermaster sergeant?
I verified. I know the man was the quartermaster because I have been hearing about him at the battalion that he was the quartermaster. And the second accused is a storeman.
Is what?
Second accused is a storeman.
So correct also to say that the second accused did tell you that the said warrant officer 2 Sheku Ture is or was his immediate boss at 5 battalion.
That is correct, sir, because they are all working in the same office.
Correct to say the second accused did tell you that he received a phone call from the said warrant officer, his boss, around 03:30 hours, a phone call to report at the battalion headquarters, correct?
Yes, my lord, it is written in the statement.
It is not about what is written in the statement. It is about what you investigated.
Yes, sir. It is about for you to know that it is in the statement.
Hold on. Let me understand, Mr. Kamara, let me understand your question. Your question was whether the second accused told him that, right? Ah, okay.
By the way, do you know the whereabouts of the personal phone of the second accused?
No, my lord.
As a prudent investigator, an experienced investigator, were you able to obtain call logs of the personal phone of the accused person, second accused?
That is, my lord, that is what I have told you, that this investigation is a joint investigation. We have the cyber in this investigation. So the cybers are responsible for those informations.
No, I am asking you whether you were able to obtain. It's either yes or no. It is not for you to refer me to cyber or whatever. Yo, I'm talking to you directly.
I was able to obtain some of his call logs.
Now, correct to say, as a prudent and experienced investigator, you have an obligation to inform the second accused of his right to remain silent and his right to a solicitor or legal representation at the commencement of any interview?
Yes. Yes, my lord. Before he made his free recall, I cautioned him that he is not obliged to say anything. And I also told him that he has the right to a legal representative provided by the staff legal department, if he so wish. I also told him that he also has the right to hire a private legal representative, but that at his own expense.
And that particular caution, and am I correct to say whatever the conversation between you, the investigator, and the second accused person is recorded?
Yes, my lord.
And I'm also correct to say you also put the allegations for which you are investigating the second accused to him at the commencement of the said interviews?
Yes, my lord.
My Lord, with your leave, can the witness be shown Exhibit SS1 to 8? Can the witness be shown Exhibit SS1 to 8? The witness statement of now, is that the witness statement of the second accused?
This is the voluntary statement after caution of the second accused.
Now tell us in that statement where you informed the second accused of his right to remain silent, his right to legal representation, and his right to hire the services of a private legal representation at his own cost. Where you tell him that?
My Lord, do you want me to read it?
No. Just tell us the portion that you made that information, or you brought that to the notice of the second accused, including the allegations in which you have investigated him for.
My Lord, first of all, I put the allegation before him that he is to make statements in relation to...
No. Show me the portion of that statement that you are now carrying.
My Lord, the question is here.
Where in that portion of the statement that you made that notice to the second accused?
Okay. Now I can read it for you to understand more. That I am not obliged to say anything unless I wish to do so. And whatever I say will be taken down into writing and may be given in evidence. I am also told that I have the right to a legal representative provided by the ASLAF Legal Department, if I so wish. And that I also have the right to hire a private legal representative at my own expense.
So, am I correct to say that came from the witness and not you? Came from the second accused, but not you?
You mean that this one I've just read?
Yes, what you've just read. It came from him rather than you, as you claim.
This one came from me because I was the investigator, so I have to caution him. This thing came from me. I caution him.
But that is not what is recorded.
Huh?
That is not what is recorded in that statement. Am I correct?
This one is for him. You are not correct to say, sir. This statement, this caution is for the second accused.
So I am saying that caution statement came from the second accused person rather than you, the investigator.
This caution came from me to him. This caution came from me to him.
So reference to I, the pronoun I, in that statement is reference to who?
To him, in statement taken.
To the second accused.
Yeah, in statement taken, my Lord. In statement taken.
So that cautionary statement, that portion, came from the second accused. Am I correct?
It does not came from him.
Hold on.
It came from me.
Pause.
Directly to him.
Hold on, Mr. Kamara.
Sir.
Are you done now? Are you proceeding? No, hold on. So I don't like it when counsel embellish what I say. I mean, if you want to raise an objection, you raise it. But when I want to make my remarks, don't embellish it, because I'm not supporting you anyway. I'm just doing what I'm supposed to do at any point. Mr. Kamara, if you have asked the question and the witness has given his answer, is it not the best thing for us to proceed?
Lord, in the interest of progress, I will proceed.
No, do it in the interest of your case. All I am saying is, when the witness answers the question, let us move on. Okay? Mm-hmm.
Am I correct? Sergeant Kamara?
Yes, my lord.
Am I correct to say that the second accused did tell you during the interviews that he was captured and placed under gunpoint?
Yes, my lord, according to him.
And correct to say that he eventually escaped from the captors and hid himself towards the area of Services Primary School, correct?
That was what he stated in his statement.
And correct to say he later came out of his hiding place and joined the Joint Presidential Guard Force in the morning hours.
That was what he stated in his statement, my lord.
So, as an experienced investigator, Sergeant Kamara.
Yes, my lord.
Did you believe that statement of the second accused or not?
Say again, my lord.
That statement that he came out of his hiding and joined the Joint Presidential Guard Force at daybreak on the 26th of November 2023. Did you believe that portion of his statement?
Well, my lord, I was not there, but that was what he told me.
So now, we are able to investigate that portion of his statement further with the Joint Presidential Guard Force?
My lord, like I told you earlier, I only obtained his free recall. Then I told you earlier that the investigation was a joint one.
I am asking you if you, Sergeant Kamara, did investigate that portion of the second accused statement with the Joint Presidential Guard Force. I'm talking directly to you.
Well, that is why I told you. I only recorded his free recall. So I don't go further to investigate the second accused.
So correct to say you did not investigate that portion of his statement?
I told you that, my lord, I told you I was only investigating and recorded the free call of the second accused. So I don't know whether he went further, I don't know, but I only recorded the free recall.
So I am asking you, as an investigator, Sergeant Kamara, did you investigate that portion? The question is for you.
That
whether
one
you
is
investigated it or not.
That one was not investigated by me. Like I told you, there are other investigators.
That's fine. You did not investigate it. Did he also tell you, the second accused, did he also tell you that after joining the Joint Presidential Guard Force, he later returned to his unit headquarters?
My lord, according to the second accused, he told me after he joined the Presidential Guard, later a member of the Presidential Guard arrested him and collected his phone.
From his statement, he did tell you that he eventually returned to his battalion headquarters and he was in the process of issuing out arms to personnel when he was arrested.
That is correct.
So, I'm correct to say he returned to his base at 5 Battalion?
That is correct.
Am I also correct to say that during your investigation or your interview with the second accused, you did see injuries on the left part of his face?
My lord, on that day, no.
Any other day?
I said on that day, no. And I never see him with wounds.
So during your cross-examination, your interview with the second accused, did you have any opportunity to see any video or photographs of the second accused being beaten or tortured in distress?
During the time he was making his free recall, I never see a video of him.
No, I am saying, as an investigator, were you opportune to see any video during or after that interview of the suspect, of the second accused?
My Lord, I didn't see any video of the second accused.
But I'm correct to say he did tell you that he was beaten and urinated upon during his interviews.
Yes, my Lord, he stated it in his statement. He stated it in his statement that he was beaten and urinated.
He did tell you.
Yes, my Lord, while he was making a free recall.
And when at which point that he said to you that he was beaten up and urinated upon?
During the course of making his free recall. My Lord.
At which time? Whether, let me just give you clues, whether at the time of his arrest or after his arrest, whichever. Please tell this court.
He told me that he was beaten and urinated during when I was obtaining his free recall. That was when he told me about beaten and urinated.
And where?
At the Presidential Lodge.
As a prudent what did you do, especially when the second accused is a serving personnel of Arsla? What did you do about it?
My Lord, after he has told me that he was beaten and urinated, and after I have obtained his free recall, I told my commander that this man said he was beaten and urinated at the Presidential Lodge.
Who is the commander?
Major MP Conte.
So, now, am I correct to say allegation of beating and urinating on a serving officer is a crime by military discipline?
Yes, my Lord, I know it is a crime, but I was not there. That was what he told me during his free recall. I was not there. I know it is a crime, but I was not there.
So as a military police, did you investigate that particular allegation? Crime?
My Lord, just like I told you, the second accused told me he was beaten and urinated. By whom? He said by the presidential guards. But he was not indicated the particular presidential guard who beat him.
So am I correct to say you did not investigate that particular crime.
My Lord, like I told you, I was investigating a crime of mutiny. Do you understand? Treason and murder and other related offenses.
You have to
that
tell
was
me.
the offense I was investigating. I was not investigating an assault case.
So, So, am I correct to say, as a military police, it is one of your responsibility to enforce discipline within ARSLAF?
You are correct, my Lord.
So given the answer you've just given to me, you have failed in your duty to investigate the allegation of beating and urination towards the second accused person.
Don't answer that question.
My Lord,
Don't answer that question. Yes, sir. Yes, Counsel. Go on. Even if he had answered, you know it would amount to nothing. I would not.
Did you want to say anything else that you haven't said?
Look, Mr. Kamara. Mr. Kamara.
Yes, Lord.
The witness, I mean, because I take what I do seriously, that is why I intervene in some of these things. To ask the question of the witness after I intervene to see if you want to say anything, for me, it's trivializing. Hold on.
Milord, I didn't get that. Apologies.
All right,
Apologies, I didn't get that.
Hold on, Mr. Kamara. Because if the witness had anything to say, he would have said it in the examination in chief. Don't forget, you are cross-examining him.
Very well, my Lord.
And you know why I intervened.
Very well.
Because you were breaching a fundamental rule of evidence.
My Lord, apologies, my Lord.
Now you are making me believe that it was done willfully. All right, so please, let's go on.
Well, that's all for this witness. Sergeant Kamara, thank you very much.
yes, my Lord. Thank you too.
My Lord, cross-examination on behalf of the 3rd, 13th, and 14th witness, accused person, my Lord. I'll start with the 3rd. Yes. Yes, 3rd, 13th, and 3rd, and 14th. Yes. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah. Will I be correct to say that you are the recorder of exhibit Pt1 to 5?
Yes, my lord.
Yes. How about exhibits VV1 to 6? VV1 to 6.
Which accused?
Of the third accused.
Third accused.
Yes.
You are correct.
You are the recorder.
I am the recorder.
Yeah. Yes. Now, being a recorder, I'll be correct to say you investigated the matter against the third accused person, correct?
You are correct, my lord.
Yes, at the time you were obtaining exhibit Pt1 to 5, I'll be correct to say that when the allegation had been put to the third accused, he denied same. When you put the allegation to him, he denied.
Yes, my lord.
Tt1 to 5, yes. To leave, my lord, may Tt1 to 5 be shown to the witness. Now, is it true, or I'll be correct to say, that from the same exhibit at page 4, line 2 of page 4, that the third accused told you whilst you were obtaining that exhibit from him, that's line 2, page 4, of line 2 of page 4.
I've seen it. Page 4, line 2.
Yes, that's the Cockrell headquarters was his former unit.
That is correct, my lord.
Yes, as per your investigations, will I be correct further to say that the third accused was at the Cockrell headquarters after the assailants had left? He was still there.
Yes, you are correct, but he was arrested.
Oh, yes, I know.
Yes.
But he was there after the assailants had left.
After the assailant, he was arrested.
Yes. Yes, you said he was arrested. Correct to say that that came afterward?
He was arrested after the assailant has gone.
After the assailant had left?
Yes.
He was there for some time before his arrest?
He was arrested immediately. The assailant, they pursued the assailant. The assailant.
Now, whilst you were obtaining Exhibit Pt1 to 5 from the third accused, I'll be correct to say that he had opted to assist in defending the Cochrane headquarters by being issued with a rifle.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, the third accused opted to assist in defending the Cochrane headquarters. Correct to say that was before the assailants came into the Cochrane headquarters, correct?
No, you are not correct. After the assailant has gone.
Now, will you agree with me that the third accused had been issued with a rifle before the assailant came? He was first issued with a rifle before the assailant came to the headquarters.
When the assailant was at Uba First Barracks, when they were getting ready at Cochrane, he was issued with a rifle.
Yes, that is before they entered.
Before the assailant attack, he was issued with a rifle.
Do you have any idea as to when that rifle was taken away from the third accused?
Yes, my lord.
Yes, I'll be correct to say that was before the assailants entered the Cochrane headquarters.
No, my lord.
Yes, at the time the rifle was taken away from the third accused, I'll be correct to say that he was quite cooperative, correct?
He was cooperative, my lord.
Yes. And you will agree with me that even the live rounds in the magazine that was attached to the rifle, which was issued to him, were intact at the time the rifle was taken away from him.
Yes, my lord. That was what he stated in his statement.
Yes, during the course of your investigation, I'll be correct to say you confronted the third accused with no proof or evidence to show that when the assailant entered into the Cochrane headquarters, he joined them.
My lord, I did not prove that, but the third accused was not.
You did or you did not? Did you confront him with any evidence to show that he joined the assailant when they had entered Cochrane?
Yes, my lord. During the course of investigation, I asked him that question.
No, listen to the question. Yes. Yes, the question borders around evidence. Did you confront him with any evidence whilst you were investigating this matter to suggest to him that when the assailants had come into COUP headquarters, the third accused joined them? Did you confront him with any evidence?
I confronted him during the course of the interview.
With any evidence?
To say
pictorial evidence by way of picture or whatever?
No, my lord.
Yes, you did not confront him with any other evidence to show that he fired gunshots at the COUP headquarters, correct?
My lord, like I told you, during the course of the interview, the third accused automatically denied that he was not taking part.
Yes, the question now is, you did not confront him with any evidence to show that he fired gunshots at the COUP headquarters.
I confronted him with the evidence, but he denied.
You confronted him with evidence to show that he fired gunshots?
No, I not confronted him with evidence of firing gunshots.
Please, my lord, in the interest of justice, I hope you take that into consideration, because he had first given a different answer and later he's giving another answer, my lord.
This is what I noticed. I noticed the problem is in the framing of your question. I should use the word phrasing of your question.
It was the same question. I never changed anything.
If you believe me, it will help you.
As you please, my lord.
It was in the phrasing of your question that the problem was, not in the answering.
Please, my lord.
Okay.
I only hope you take cognizance of the last answer, my lord. Yes. At the time of his arrest, the third accused, were you there when he was arrested?
I was not there, my lord.
I don't know. Now, I may like to take you to exhibits UU1 to 6. My lord, with your leave, may exhibit UU1 to 6 be shown to this witness.
You.
Lord, may I be excused?
UU1 to 6, yes. Now, at the time exhibit UU1 to 6 was recorded by yourself, did you have any reason to confront the sixth accused with the third accused person?
Are you talking about sixth accused?
Yes, the sixth accused and the third. Did you have any reason?
I did not investigate sixth accused.
I understand. I pretty much understand. Now, there was a follow-up question on the sixth accused, and there was a question on the sixth accused and a follow-up answer. I'm asking you now if you had any reason to let them confront themselves, the sixth and the third accused, whilst you are obtaining exhibit UU1 to 6.
My lord, I don't understand the question.
Okay. Now, just answer this question. It's as simple and plain. During the course of your investigation, about the third accused, did you have any reason to let him confront the sixth accused person?
Who is the fifth accused? I don't know.
The sixth accused person.
Where is he? Yes, my lord.
You let them confront themselves?
They were confronted at the integration center.
Were you present there at the time?
I was present there.
Yes. Now, where are the records of that confrontation? The confrontational statement.
My lord, like I told you, I was not the one who is taking record of that confrontation. Like I told you earlier, investigation was a joint investigation, and we are many.
So I'll be correct to say that confrontational statement is not inclusive in the exhibit so far that you have tendered in this court, correct?
You are correct.
The third accused at page 2 of exhibit UU126 told you that he did not know the first accused. Is that so?
Say again.
The first accused, the third accused at page 2 told you that he did not know the first accused. Is that so?
If he told me he didn't know the first accused.
The first accused. Do you know the first accused?
I don't know him. I don't know the first accused.
You don't know the first accused?
I don't know him because I was not dealing with him.
Do you know any Sergeant Alaji Kroma?
Hmm?
Do you know any Sergeant Alaji Kroma?
Sergeant Alaji Kuruma.
Yes.
Well, I can recognize him if I see him.
You can recognize him if you see him. And then you posed a question relating to Sergeant Alaji Kuroma at the time you were obtaining or you were recording this exhibit from the third accused, correct?
That is true.
Good. So now I'm asking you that when you had asked the third accused if he knew the first accused, he told you he did not know the first accused, correct? At page 2.
He is correct.
Yes. Now, from the same exhibit, the third accused told you that the reason he went to a village to perform rituals was to end the matter in court, which is with his wife, one Zainab Bangura. Correct?
That was what he stated.
He went to a village to perform rituals. Yeah. Was to put an end to a matter which his wife had instituted against him. Did you have cause to investigate whether or not a matter had been instituted against the third accused by his wife?
No, my lord.
Yes. Now, exhibit Pt1 to 5 and UU1 to 6 were obtained the same day.
Say again.
Both exhibits Tt1 to 5 and UU1 to 6, they were obtained the same day.
You mean the third accused?
Yeah, in respect of the third accused.
No, they were not obtained on the same day.
My lord.
Are you objecting? Counsel, are you objecting?
Okay. My lord, that's okay.
That's answered. Yes. Excuse me, please. It's your leave, my lord, please. 1 minute. Now, do you know one Sergeant Soriba at Cockrell?
Say again, sir.
Do you know one Sergeant Soriba at Cockrell?
I knew him.
Now, during the course of your investigation with respect to the third accused, did you have any reason to contact Sergeant Soriba at Cockrell?
My lord, when I was investigating, after the third accused or the fourth accused have given his free recall.
The third accused.
Third accused.
Yes.
After he has given his free recall and interview, some of my colleagues went to Sergeant Sori and obtained statement from him. Flu. Flu.
Now, yes, during the course of your investigation, did you have any cause to confront the third accused and the 11th accused?
My lord, who is the 11th accused?
Sergeant Kalon. Sorry, the 9th accused.
Who is the 9th accused, my lord?
Sergeant Kalon.
If I have
Sergeant Kalon.
chance.
Yes, to confront the third and the 9th accused.
No, my lord.
Okay. Yes. Now, throughout your interaction with the third accused, whilst you were investigating him, I'll be correct to say he was not legally represented, correct?
My lord, that is why I cautioned him that he has the right.
Was he legally represented or not?
He was not represented by,
Right.
a legal practitioner.
Okay. That is all in respect of the third accused, my lord. I now move on to the 13th. I now move on to the 13th accused. 1-3. Yes. Now, my lord, with your leave, may exhibit YY1 to 5 be shown to the witness. YY1 to 5. Yes, now at page 2 of that exhibit, I'll be correct to say that the 13th accused denied the allegation when you had put it to him.
You are correct, my lord.
Now, further, whilst obtaining statement from him, he made mention of his younger brother.
Yes, my lord.
That it was that younger brother who had demanded his presence in Freetown, correct?
You are correct, my lord.
Yes, now you further asked the purpose of the younger brother's request, and he gave you an answer. He told you that it was for them to have a meeting to discuss about arrangements over a portion of land that was given to them by their grandparents. Correct?
You are correct, sir.
On that note, he told you he had left Lunge on the 25th of November 2023 to Freetown.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, whilst in Freetown, he further told you that, in fact, he went to a village called Rokel, where he passed the night.
Yes, my lord, that was what he stated.
Yes. On the following day, on the Sunday, he left Rokel running back to his place of deployment because of the incident in Freetown on November 26th of 2023. That was what he told you, correct?
You're correct, my lord.
Rokel, the village where he had passed the night, back to Lunge, to his place of deployment, because of the attack in Freetown. Now, on his way to Lunge, he told you he had faced transportation difficulties around the terminal. The ferry terminal.
Yeah, correct.
So he had to sleep in a dilapidated boat at the ferry terminal on the 26th.
That is what he stated, my lord.
Yes. So he made it to Lunge, his place of deployment, on the 27th of November 2023. Correct?
Yes, my lord.
Yes. Is it true from your investigation that when he went to his place of deployment, he resumed duty and obeyed lawful orders?
So again.
From your investigation, is it true that when he went to his place of deployment, he resumed duties, correct?
Correct.
Your leave, my lord. I just want to reference. Now, my lord, with your leave, may exhibits ZZ1 to 11 be shown to the witness.
Below.
No, just handle it, yes. Now, in your testimony in chief, you told this court that the 13th accused, was not able to answer the question that you had posed to him. The last question on page 3 spilling to page 4, over to page 4.
You're correct, my lord.
Did you record that underneath the question?
The question is there, my lord.
Yes, did you record that underneath the question that he was unable to answer the question?
I didn't record it, but there was no answer.
Now, you will agree with me that immediately after that question, you had cause to suspend the interview at the behest of authorities.
Yes, my lord.
Yes. Now, from the same exhibit ZZ1 to 11, at page 6, the 13th accused reaffirmed his account that he slept at Rokel village on the 26th of November 2023, correct?
Correct.
25th, sorry. Yes, he mentioned that In fact, he slept with his younger brothers, one Kalinios Musa and Susu Musa. He mentioned names.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, and in fact, he told you those brothers will confirm that to you if you ever desire.
Say again.
He told you those brothers will confirm that to you if you ever desire.
Yeah, that was what he stated in his free call.
Now, did you have any reason or cause to reach out to those brothers?
No, my lord.
So, in fact, you did not reach out to those brothers, correct?
Correct, my lord.
Did you reach out to or did you visit the ferry terminal where the 14th accused told you that he had passed the night owing to transportational difficulties before he reached to his place of deployment?
No, my lord.
Now, can you kindly take a look at from page 5 to 11 throughout to page 11 of exhibit
You mean
ZZ1 to
record of
11?
interview?
The ZZ1 to 11.
Page.
5 to 11.
I've seen page 5.
Yes. Go to the column where witnesses should sign. To 11. I'll be correct to say throughout from page 5 to 11, no witness signed, correct?
There was witness, but
No
this
witness
side.
signed from page 5 to 11, correct?
That is correct.
Yes. Malo, just a minute, please. Okay, my lord, I now move over to the 14th accused. Yes. Yes, I'll be correct to say you investigated the 14th accused.
Yes, my lord.
My lord, with your leave, may exhibit A1 to 8 be shown to the witness. A 1 to 8. Yes. Dated the 30th day of November 2023. Yes. Yes. Now, let me just ask you this question. Do you know one Captain Senesi mentioned by the 14th accused in exhibit?
No, my lord.
You don't know him?
I don't know him.
Yes. Now, the 14th accused, I'll be correct to say he's a private soldier, correct?
Yes, my lord.
Yes. Now, let me just ask this question. I'm not a military man. Between a captain and a private soldier, who is more superior? Who is superior? Who is superior between
The captain is the most superior.
So, on a normal day, I'll be correct to say, that a private soldier is bound to take instructions from a captain.
My lord, a private soldier has the right to take instruction from the captain, but he has the right to take instruction from the captain.
Does he have the right or not?
No. When it is lawful. When it is lawful.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Now, you said when it's lawful. So I will take it that a mere request to help a superior to execute a lawful favor is part of that lawful instructions, correct?
My lord, in the ASLAB, we have norms and coms. You cannot join someone on a patrol, he didn't inform you of anything. So it is not lawful because he went there without the consent of his commanders. He is not working directly with the Captain Senesi.
No, I'm not asking you a question related to the third accused. It's a general. Listen to the question, please. Grateful, my lord. My lord, the last answer is being recorded. Well, the one that you said you understood. Oh, I see. I see. I was just going to caution you that. Okay, good. So now, the third accused, whilst you were obtaining Exhibits A1 to 8 from him, the 14th accused, sorry, now, do you know one Captain TLK?
I don't know him.
Yes. Now, whilst you were obtaining statement from the 14th accused, he made mention of both Captain Senesi and Captain TLK, correct, in his statement?
You are correct, my lord.
Yes. Now, you did not investigate at all whether those two captains mentioned by the 14th accused were serving military personnel. Is that so? Both captains. Mm-hmm. Yes. You did not. You failed. Sorry. Now, you failed to investigate both captains mentioned by the 14th accused, whilst you are obtaining statement from him, whether or not they were serving military personnel, correct?
My lord, those captains are run away, so I have no one to investigate.
Did you or you did not?
Say again?
Okay, that answer is okay. You said they have run away. How did you know that?
They are posted on the wanted list. They were posted on the wanted list.
So correct to say they are serving military personnel, correct?
Well, the man who knows them.
No, you answer me. I'm not asking the man.
Well, I don't see them. I cannot say they are serving personnel. The man alleged that he was working with those two captains. I cannot say they are soldiers because I don't know them.
Yes, sir. Did you speak with the adjutant, the human resource of the military?
My lord, the adjutant the statement was obtained by another military police officer.
So you did not inquire from him whether or not those two captains are serving military personnel?
I inquired from him.
The HR.
What he told me those two captains moving from Benguma to by force. But like I told you, I did not know them. I don't know whether they are serving personnel or not. He called them captains.
No, I'm not asking you a question about the accused from the HR. If you inquired if those captains are serving military personnel.
Yes, my lord, I inquired.
So he told you they were or they are?
Say again?
He told you, the HR told you the captains are serving military personnel.
Yeah, the captains are serving military personnel because according to the adjutant statement.
Good. So now let's go back to Exhibit AAA 1 to 8.
AAA 1.
Now, in his statement, the 14th accused told you, the minute, please, my lord. Yes. Now, in his statement, the 14th accused told you that one of the captains had requested his security service for a festival show they had at Old School, correct?
Correct, my lord.
Now, and it was as a result of that he agreed to help provide that security service for the
yes, my lord, according to him.
Yes, and according to the 14th accused, he further told you that as the journey progressed between himself and the captains, he wasn't aware of what they brought him to the 5 Battalion 4.
Correct, my lord.
Yes, now, also in his statement, he told you that no sooner it became apparent to him, the 14th accused escaped from his superiors.
That is what he stated in his statement, my lord.
And after he had escaped, he went straight to his deployment at Benguima.
Correct, my lord.
Yes. And he further told you that upon his return, he reported himself to one Major Doe and Major Charles, correct?
Correct, my lord.
Major Doe and Major Dauda. Major
Doe.
Major Charles. Doe and Charles. Yes, my lord, with your leave, may the witness be shown exhibit AAB 1 to 7. AAB 1 to 7. Yes, now, can you kindly take a look at page 4 of that exhibit?
Page 4.
Yes. Yes, now, you posed a certain question to the 14th accused. The third question on that page.
The fourth
The
question.
third question on that page.
Yeah.
Yes. Can I read it out?
Do you want me to read it?
Okay, read it, please.
The fourth question.
The third.
Were you in possession of any
Third. Three.
Third question?
Yes.
Okay. During your time at Wilberforce, did you hear any gunshot?
No. Page 4. It's page 4. The third question of page 4.
This is
exhibit
page 4.
AAB 1 to 7. Is that exhibit AAB 1 to 7? AAB 1 to 7, yes.
AAB 1 to 7.
Yes, so now turn to page 4. The fourth page.
This is the fourth page I have turned to.
The fourth page.
This one is the fourth page.
Fourth page. At the guard post. Yes. No, that's not the question. I'm asking him now to read the third question on that page. The third question. It starts with, it is alleged that.
It is alleged that we are among the other ex-personnel in the ASLAF who attended series of meetings in order to carry out the planned coup. What have you got to say?
Yes. So the answer to that question was, it is not true, correct?
That was his answer.
Yes. So now I'm asking you a question. Did you show the 14th accused any evidence to show that the 14th accused attended series of meetings in order to carry out the planned coup?
No, my lord.
Yes. Now, from your investigations, did you have any idea as to whether the 5 battalion had CCTV camera?
No, my lord.
What do you mean it doesn't have?
I am not aware of that.
Oh, you are not aware. Yes. So I'll be correct to say that no evidence was shown to the 14th accused again to suggest that he fired gunshots at the 5 battalion.
My lord, I cannot say yes.
You cannot say yes?
I can say no.
No evidence was shown to him that he fired a gunshot.
For me, I don't produce any evidence before him.
Yes, that's what I'm asking. So the answer to that question should be yes. No evidence was shown to him. Now, I want to ask you a question, please. Did it come to your notice, whilst you were investigating the 14th accused, that Captain Senesi was organic to 5 battalion?
According to his free recall, that is what he said.
Yes, now throughout your investigation, I'll be correct to say that the 14th accused was not legally represented, correct?
You are correct.
My lord, that will be all in respect of the 14th accused. So, yes, you too. Yes, my lord.
My lord, for the 11th accused person, Pt2. Sergeant Kamara.
Yes, my lord.
How many years have you spent as an investigating officer?
I have spent 15 years in the investigation.
So I presume you are a seasoned investigator, correct?
You are correct, my lord.
Were you able to follow all the formalities required for investigating an offense?
In the case of 11th accused, I was
You were
able.
able to do that?
Yes, my lord.
I want to refer you to exhibits XX1 to 8. For you
Yes,
to
my
take
lord.
a look at it. Allow with your leave, may the witness be provided with exhibit 1 to 8, XX 1 to 8. XX, my lord. 1 to 8. Take a look at the first page of that exhibit.
Yes, my lord.
Is it signed by the interviewer?
No, my lord.
It's not signed.
It was not signed.
What does that imply?
My lord, as long as the witness is signed and the accused signed, he is consented.
Also take a look at pages 2 to the end. Pages 2 to the end. Am I correct to say it is only page 3 that is witnessed by a third party?
Yes, my lord, you are correct.
Where was the accused person on the 26th day of November 2023?
The accused was in Freetown on the 26th day of November.
Which part of Freetown was he, to be specific? Take a look at the voluntary caution statement.
Where is it?
Lord, may it be made to see exhibits WW 1 to 6, respectfully. Wait a minute. Take a look at page 1 and 2. Am I correct to say the witness was at Benguma on the 26th day of November 2023? In his free narrative.
Yes, my lord, you are correct.
Good. Am I also correct to say the investigation you did revealed to you that the accused, the number 11th accused person, was awakened by one Adam Abari?
That was what he said in his free recall.
Am I also correct to say Adam Abari, they said Adam Abari also informed him of the incident that was occurring in Freetown.
And that was what he stated, my lord.
As a well-experienced investigator, did you have cause at any given time to meet with Adama Barry?
No, my lord.
Am I also correct to say the 11th accused person is a driver serving his boss at Cockrell and at Benguima, where they both stay for nearly 2 years now?
Yes, my lord, that was what he stated in his free recall.
That the 11th accused person is a driver serving his boss at Cockrell and Benguima, where they currently stay for nearly 2 years, my lord. Did this investigation reveal to you who the 11th accused boss is?
Well, according to him, he said his boss was at Benguima Barracks.
Say again?
According to him, he said his boss stayed at Benguima Barracks.
Did he tell you, were you able to know the name of his boss?
He told me the name of the boss as Major DC Mansare.
Did you have cause to meet with Major DC Mansare during the course of this investigation?
No, my lord.
So am I correct to say you are unable to confirm the testimony of the 11th accused person from those two persons, namely Adama Barry and Major DC Mansare?
My lord, like I told you, I was not able to visit those people, he alleged.
Did you also know that the 11th accused person had been a squad mate of Quetta at the 15th Brigade Battalion in Lunge for over 5 years?
My lord, I came to know that during his statement.
Were you haven't told the accused person that he has the right to a legal representative? Were you able to provide him with one from the RSLAF especially?
My lord, during the time of taking this statement, there were RSLAF legal representative.
did you record that aspect that they were present, that legal reps were present when obtaining the testimony of the 11th accused person?
I did not obtain it in the statement, but they were on the ground and they were with us.
Who confronted the 11th accused person with a call log? Was it you?
It is not me, my lord. Like I told you, the investigation was a joint investigation, so it is not me doing everything.
I finally put it to you that the 11th accused person never conspired with anyone to unseat the democratic government of this country, correct?
My lord, it's left with this competent court to decide.
Well, that would be all.
At least since you want him to remind you again. I'm saying at least since you want him to remind you that it is left with the court to decide, he has done it.
Good to my lord, good to.
Yes.
Good to my lord.
No. What's your name? Kamal, Sergeant Kamal. Okay. It's DC.
That is for the 17th, yes?
For the 17th, my lord.
Is that the last cross-examination? All right.
Paid, my lord. Now, Sergeant Kamal.
Yes, my lord.
Can you please look at Exhibit AA1 to 8?
Yes, my lord.
AA1 to 8. 8. A1 to 8?
A1 to 18. 18? Is that 18? No, AA is 1 to 18.
No, the statement of the 14th accused. The statement of the 14th accused, the free call. AA, sorry. Triple A. Sorry, triple A.
Yes, triple A is 1 to 18.
Now, can you look at page 6? Page 6 of triple A 1 to 8.
Page 6.
Page 6.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, my lad, I just went to... Can you please read for this court from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The third line, counting from the bottom, the third line, counting from the bottom going up, the third line.
You mean page 6?
Page 6, counting from the bottom of the page, counting from the bottom of the page, the third line going up. It starts with as soon as one of the vehicles parked.
Okay. As soon as one of the vehicles parked, I saw the Chief of Defense Staff, Lieutenant General Pt2, alerted the vehicle. Am I to continue?
You know, I wanted you to read from that point to line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, line 7 on page 7. So from that point where you started reading just now, continue till line 7 of page 7. Start with as soon as and continue to line 7 of page 7.
From page 6, third line to
yes,
line 7
of page
of
7.
The 7th page.
Yes.
As soon as one of the vehicles parked, I saw the Chief of Defense Staff, Lieutenant General Pt2, alerted the vehicle.
Continue. Continue.
Dressed in combat trousers, military t-shirts, and a military desert hat.
Continue.
The Joint Force Commander, Major General Dauda Alpha, alighted from the other vehicle.
Thank you. Now, that was the 14th accused person speaking to the military police, correct?
You are correct, my lord.
Yes. Now, how did you process that bit of his statement to the military police? Did you investigate that bit that he saw General Lavaon and General Alpha alighting from those vehicles? Did you?
No, my lord.
You did not bother to?
I did not go to them. I did not call them.
Yes. I mean, should I understand that you did not treat that to be anything serious, correct?
My lord, like I told you, the investigation was not a unique investigation. It was a joint investigation. So if there is evidence comes, if I don't go there, my orders will go there. But I cannot tell whether some of my colleagues went there.
I mean, did you flag that up? Did you flag that up? I mean, you obtained the statement, correct? And he said that to you. Did you flag it up?
Say again.
Now, as an investigator, you obtained the statement.
Correct.
He said that to you.
Yes.
Granted, it was you were not the only person investigating the entire matter. I get that point. But since you were the person who obtained the statement from him, did you flag it up? Did you flag that point up?
If I flag that point?
Yes. Did you flag it up? Did you pinpoint that issue?
If I have pinpointed that issue?
Yes.
Yes, I told my commander that.
So you pinpointed that?
Yes.
Okay, but you would not know whether that was followed up?
At all.
You did not follow it up?
I did not follow it up.
That would be all for the witness, ma'am.
Sorry, my lord. I indicated earlier on that I'll be doing a cross-examination for the fifth accused.
Speak so I hear you, Mr.
I indicated earlier on that I'll be doing cross-examination for the fifth accused.
Oh, okay.
Yes, but I'm withdrawing that now.
Re-examination?
Nothing for re-examination, my lord.
Any questions from the president? Any questions? All right, listen, I have one question, just one question.
Yes, my lord.
Listen carefully. Give him back exhibit AAA 1 to 8. Give it back to him. AAA 1 to 8. The question Mr. Cole was asking you about just now. Did the that AAA 1 to 8 is a statement of the 14th accused, correct?
Say sir.
That is a statement of the 14th accused.
Yes, my lord.
Did he tell you in that statement, did he tell you the time? Listen carefully. The time that he saw Lieutenant General Labaon and the other general, did he tell you the time?
My lord, he did not state the time.
That is all.
For right?
My lord, may the witness be discharged.
Yes. Yes. Witness, you are done. Go. Yes. Okay. That is to mean that you don't have another witness for today. No, that is not for you to say. So if you have a witness, say you have. That you want to proceed with.
Make an application for action at this time of the day.
This court martial is adjourned to Friday, 16th February 2024 at this law court building. Please rise to court.
I know say that bit so they talk, they go manufacture witness for can't show say then they will follow up.
No. We anticipated the consent.